Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you are good. In today's recipe, we'll be making sumptuous coconut rice in a unique way. Let's get started. Here, I have chicken breast. It's soft and very fresh, and I'll cut this into little chunks. And as much as possible, we'll try to dab it off the fluid and we'll transfer it into a bowl. And I'll bring in chicken seasoning, black chili pepper, onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, barbecue spice, salt, and cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons. And we are going to mix all this in. The essence is to have every piece of chicken coated with this seasoning, and we'll marinate this for up to 1 hour in the fridge. And here I have the coconuts. I'm draining out the water. I like taking the water of this coconut. What about you? And carefully with a knife, I'll separate the coconut from the shell. Be careful, don't hurt yourself. And we are going to grate some of the coconuts, and we are going to blend some and extract the water for the later part of the video. And we'll set this aside. And I have rice here. This is long grained rice. I'll be parboiling this. I'll add in water to top it, and we're going to cook it. As soon as it shows the first signs of boiling, we'll take it off from the heat and we'll drain it out. Mix it with cold water till your hands are able to get into it without being hot, and we'll wash this till the water runs clear. This is as good as washing it with hot water. Please don't parboil it for too long so that the rice wouldn't be soggy. And we'll drain this out and continue the process till the water runs clear. And I have ginger, garlic, and pepper here, and we're going to blend this. And I also have the pepper. This is yellow bell pepper. We'll remove the seeds and cut this into little chunks. You can cut it to the shapes and sizes you want. It's up to you. What we are basically doing now is to prep all our ingredients. I always prefer prepping all my ingredients beforehand, so that when it comes to the cooking proper, we'll just be mixing and mixing. We'll set this aside and do the same with the green bell peppers also. You can use any other vegetable that appeals to you. And I have the spring onions here. We are going to cut this into longer strips, but any size is fine. We'll also set this aside. We'll do the same thing with the carrots. I want to show you how I cut the onion I used at the later part of the video into large chunks. You gently separate it from each other. And we'll also set this aside. In a dry pot on heat, I added in a little oil, and I brought in some chopped onions, and we'll stir fry this for about a minute on medium heat to allow the onions to release its flavors. And I added in salt. We'll stir it in. Now I'll bring in the parboiled rice. Mix the rice with the onion to combine properly. The onion will add a very unique taste to this rice. And we'll bring in the grated coconuts and some coconut milk. So for the coconut milk, I grated some coconuts and I blended some and extracted the water. That is what you saw me pour in there. I added a little water to be at the same level with the rice. We do not want a soggy coconut rice. and we'll mix all this in to combine properly. And we are going to cover this till the water dries. Please keep an eye on it. This will take about 7 to 10 minutes of medium heat. And now the water is well dried, and we'll give this a quick stir. There is no water at all left in the rice. We'll just mix it together and we'll set it aside to cool. Thank you to all my subscribers. You all make my day worthwhile. Thank you so much and God bless you. I really appreciate you. Remember that at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. And in another pan on heat, I added in oil and I brought in the marinated chicken, and we'll stir fry this chicken on high heat for about 10 minutes till it turns from pink to golden brown. Keep an eye on it and keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn. Frying this chicken will release amazing flavors for this our coconut rice. And this is what it looks like after 10 minutes. And now I brought in the pepper, garlic and ginger. This will give it some spice and some good aroma. And we'll stir fry this for about a minute or two. Remember that the chicken was well seasoned, so I wouldn't be adding any other seasoning at this point. I brought in some spring onions and carrots, and we're going to stir this. Carrots are harder to cook, that's why it's coming in at this time. And I brought in the onion, the green bell peppers and the yellow bell peppers, and more spring onions, and we'll stir this. Stir this for a minute. I like my veggies crunchy in this coconut rice, so a minute is fine. And now I just had a quick taste of this to know if the salt and the seasoning is fine, and mine came out perfect. Please check yours and know if you need to adjust yours. And now I brought in the rice. All the flavors will build up with the chicken, the veggies and the seasonings will now infuse into this coconut rice, and this is so delicious. We'll stir fry this for 2 minutes and we'll take it off from the heat. I didn't use all the rice I cooked earlier so that it wouldn't overwhelm the veggies. I'll have that with stew. And here comes our coconut fried rice. This coconut rice is all pleasing and you'll definitely enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos to get amazing content like this. I will really appreciate that, and God bless you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.